Samsung announced the Galaxy S25 Edge at the Samsung launch event earlier this year, but the newest addition to the S25 product family did not appear in the market until this month. Samsung packed a lot of features into the slim smartphone, from the dual rear camera, Wi-Fi 7, a fingerprint sensor, wireless charging, NFC, ultra-wideband support, and a stereo speaker design. The new Galaxy S25 Edge is designed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor like the other S25 smartphones. The Galaxy S25 Edge is distinguished from all of the other S25 family by being the lightest and most slender model. We are keen to open up the new S25 Edge to understand not only how Samsung managed to fit all of the electronics into the thin body, but also to understand how Samsung addresses heat dissipation, which is the ever-present challenge for all electronic devices. Tech Insights is the leading source in teardowns of consumer and automotive electronics. We follow a systematic and comprehensive approach for all of our teardown analysis to uncover valuable information about each device's design, function, and performance. As a subscriber, you have access to thousands of electronic devices on our platform and up-to-date views of upcoming teardowns on our roadmaps. Log into the Tech Insights platform to watch as we continue the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge teardown video and to learn more about Samsung's thinnest S25 smartphone.